Because you too
It's where the blue fits.
Classic.
Yes! Yes! For your spleen, first disc, then tomat.
Shower you with coconut cream pie.
I love refrigerators.
Chaz is here to re-educate Norm.
Never-ending pain, pleasing.
Oh shit! Here comes Batman.
I love refrigerators.
All toasters, toast, toast.
What the hell was that all about?
AC adapter. AC adapter weighs 1,000,000 tons.
All toasters, toast, toast.
Rover's more of a barker.
Ostrich. Oh shit!
I love refrigerators. I love.
The people who gave the money to make Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood are the people of this and other public television stations and the Sears Roebuck Foundation.
Forget him, it's anything.
Late for class and a bad hair day.
B-17 bomber.
B-17 bomber.
B-17 bomber.
B-17 bomber. I'd shower you with coconut cream pie.
Yeah, when humans get as smart as mushrooms.
Did that just black?
Yeah, boy.
Sorry if I've been coming.
All toasters, toast, toast.
Chatty, it's good to see you.
I gave him his medicine, Mario.
Wow, this one's on the...
Medicine, Mario.
AC adapter weighs 1,000,000 tons.
We love it.
They call me crazy. Ooh. Eat.
Excuse me.
317 bomber.
Oh shit.
AC adapter weighs 1,000,000 tons.
Be careful when you pinch Wendy's pennies.
Are you kidding? Your pout is so cute. I just want to.
All toasters, toast, toast. All toasters, toast, toast.
Oh shit. Here comes Pac-Man.
AC adapter weighs 1,000,000 tons.
And all the powers of the sun. I'd shower you with coconut cream pie.